World Autism Awareness Day is an internationally recognized day on 2 April every year, encouraging member states of the United Nations to take measures to raise awareness about people with autistic spectrum disorders, including autism and Asperger syndrome throughout the world. It was designated by the United Nations General Assembly Resolution 62-139. World Autism Awareness Day, passed in Council on 1 November 2007 and adopted on 18 December 2007. It was proposed by the United Nations representative from Qatar, Her Highness Sheikha Mozah Bint Nasser Al-Missned, consort of His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al-Thani, the Emir of the State of Qatar, and supported by all member states. This resolution was passed and adopted without a vote in the UN General Assembly, mainly as a supplement to previous UN initiatives to improve human rights. World Autism Day is one of only 7 official health-specific UN days. The day itself brings individual autism organizations together all around the world to aid in things like research, diagnosis, treatment, and acceptance for those with an autistic developmental path. The original resolution had 4 main components. For the past years, each World Autism Awareness Day has focused on a specific theme determined by the UN. In 2014, WAD coincided with Honesty Wednesday, a day created by the National Autistic Society to encourage people in England, Wales and Northern Ireland to show their support for anyone on the autistic spectrum. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.